Good morning, our dear subscribers. The FutureTrend channel is again with you. And this morning, probably the main topic discussing in the financial markets is, of course, the strength of the United States currency. We suggest that probably the number one factor in this kind of strength is, of course, the looming Federal Open Market Committee rate decision scheduled for this Wednesday, where the Fed should increase, as the market suggests, and should increase the interest rate by 0.25%. More important, of course, will be a dot plot projection of Fed members, as well as how they will evaluate the current state of the United States economy. Probably to this question will answer the newly elected federal or the Fed's chief, Mr. Jerome Powell. Another very interesting topic discussing at the moment is, of course, the protectionist policy conducted by United States President Donald Trump and the possible reaction of other nations to this kind of policy. Another very interesting news is expanding political scandals associated with current Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. That's why probably the Japanese yen is in demand, is in strong demand at the moment, despite of that all other currencies are on a depreciating path against the United States dollar. And now briefly about our strategy in the majors list. Here we suggest to rebuy the euro dollar on a possible down move to a longer term uptrend around 121.60. That's why we will buy the currency around 21.80 with a stop below 21.50. We still suggest that the euro dollar is in the longer term uptrend, and that's why we will pursue such kind of strategy. The dollar yen is a sell on a possible uptick to the short-term declining trend line, which today lies around 106.80. We will use a possible downtick to this level to sell the currency. We suggest that a possible retire of current Prime Minister Shinzo Abe will have a very strong repercussions on the currency market, and in this case the Japanese yen will for sure strengthen against all the currencies. As regards the cable, at the moment we suggest that psychologically important level of 140 is still a limiter, still limiting the possible upside potential of the currency, but a possible break above this line should of course accelerate the uptrend, the upside potential of the currency in the nearest future. See you later, and next one is our edition regarding euro crosses.